morning everybody. I am So Avtara madam. Today we are going to discuss the derivatives of composite function exercise 1.1, that is question number first. Let us see the examples one by one. First one, x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 5. First define the function, that is y equal to x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 5. This is of the form y equal to f of x raised to n. Then dy upon dx equal to, we can write n into the bracket f of x raised to n minus 1 into f dash of x. We are going to solve this example with this form. Here differentiate, let it be equation first. Differentiating equation first with respect to x. Therefore LHS becomes dy upon dx equal to d dx of x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 5. Here n equal to 5. So write dy upon dx equal to, n is 5, write f of x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised, put here power 5 minus 1, d dx of x cube minus 2x minus 1. Therefore 5 into the bracket x cube minus 2x minus 1. 5 minus 1 gives 4. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Differentiation of minus 2x is minus 1. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Therefore dy upon dx equal to 5 into the bracket 3x square minus 2, complete the bracket, x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 4. This is the answer for first question. Next, consider the second example. The second example is define, let y equal to 2x raised to 3 upon 2 minus 3x raised to 4 upon 3 minus 5 raised to 5 upon 2. In previous example I told the formula, so apply here that formula. Here n equal to 5 upon 2. Differentiating with respect to x, dy upon dx equal to 5 upon 2. Write the function power 5 upon 2 minus 1 into d dx of the function, that is 2x raised to 3 upon 2 minus 3x raised to 4 upon 3 minus 5. This is equal to 5 upon 2, 2x raised to 3 upon 2 minus 3x raised to 4 upon 3 minus 5. 5 upon 2 minus 1 gives 3 upon 2 into differentiation of the next term. See here, the differentiation of next term is 2 is a constant term. Differentiation of x raised to 3 upon 2, n equal to 3 upon 2, x raised to 3 upon 2 minus 1. Next minus 3, the n equal to 4 upon 3 into x raised to 4 upon 3 minus 1, and differentiation of constant term is 0. See here, 2 is a constant term, n equal to 3 upon 2, x raised to n minus 1, 3 is a constant term, x 4 upon 3 minus 1, the differentiation of constant term is 0. Therefore we get 5 upon 2, 2x raised to 3 upon 2 minus 3x 4 upon 3 minus 5 raised to 3 upon 2. See here, 2 get cancels, we get 3x. 3 upon 2 minus 1 gives 1 upon 2. Here also 3 get cancels, we get minus 4x raised to 4 upon 3 minus 1 gives 1 upon 3. This is the answer for second example. Okay. Next, discuss the third example. Third example, that is, first define the function let y equal to square root of x square plus 4x minus 7, differentiating with respect to x. Therefore, the above becomes dy upon dx equal to d dx of x square plus 4x minus 7. This is the root function. So first write 1 upon 2 root x square plus 4x minus 7 into d dx of the function, that is x square plus 4x minus 7. Okay. Next, see here, because differentiation of square root of f of x equal to d dx of square root of f of x equal to 1 upon 2 square root of f of x into f dash of x. This is the formula. So we are going to apply this formula here, applied here. This is equal to 1 upon 2 square root of x square plus 4x minus 7. Next, differentiation of x square is 2x, differentiation of 4x is 4 and differentiation of 7 is 0. Therefore, dy upon dx equal to, taking 2 as a common here, we can write 2 square root of x square plus 4x minus 7, 2 get cancels, dy upon dx equal to x plus 2 divided by x square plus 4x minus 7. This is third example. Next, go to the fourth one. That is example number 4. See, fourth example. First, define the function y equal to square root of x square plus square root of x square plus 1. Differentiating with respect to x. So this becomes dy upon dx equal to 1 upon 2 square root of x square plus square root of x square plus 1. So see, dy upon dx equal to, this is a root function, 1 upon 2 root function. Sorry, before going to that, dy upon dx equal to 1 upon 2 root the function into d dx of x square plus square root of x square plus 1. Okay, now solve this. 1 upon 2 square root of x square plus root x square plus 1. Differentiation of this function 2x. Once again, differentiation of root function is 2 square root of x square plus 1 into d dx of x square plus 1. Okay. See, this is equal to, we can write 1 divided by 2 square root of x square plus square root of x square plus 1 into the bracket 2x plus 1 upon 2 square root of x square plus 1, and differentiation of x square is 2x and differentiation of 1 is 0. Therefore 1 upon 2 square root of x square plus square root of x square plus 1 into 2x upon square root of x square plus 2 take cancels, x square plus square root of x square plus 1 into the bracket 2x plus x divided by square root of x square plus 1. After simplifying, making the denominator same, plus this is the answer for fourth exam. Okay, goodbye.